Floor mats are essential to keeping your workplace dry and clean, but maintaining them can be a real mess. Either you spend a lot of time cleaning them or a lot of money paying rental services to switch them out. You need a durable, inexpensive floor mat that requires no upkeep. You need the Mighty Line Mat from Mighty Line Tape. The leak-proof Mighty Line Absorbent Mat is a rugged peel-and-stick alternative to the traditional floor mat. It quickly absorbs liquids and oils. It bonds to your floor with an industrial-strength adhesive, and yet, amazingly, leaves no trace when you pull it back up. And it fits any space. Just roll and cut to your specific length. When it's ready to be replaced, simply peel up the old and lay down the new. Mighty Line mats are great for busy warehouses, retail spaces, grocery stores, even your garage. They're designed to endure a lot of foot traffic with very little maintenance. This is the sensible industrial floor mat. This is the Mighty Line Mat from Mighty Line Tape. Learn more at mightylinetape.com.